9 minus 9 bracket 5 minus 5 is equal what? Here 9 minus 9 gives us 0. Multiply this 5 minus 5 gives us 0. 0 times 0 gives us 0, but this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 9 minus 9, multiply this 5 minus 5 gives us 0. According to the order of operation, now I have to work with this multiplication, then this subtraction. Here this 9 times 0 gives us 0, this minus this 9. Here 9 minus 0 gives us 9, and this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.